Show us the evidence.
You're trying to scam us.
I'm trying to scam you?
Show us the evidence.
Nigga,
Where's the
I'm the one
evidence?
with the porch outside. How can I scam you? What
Where's
am
the
I scamming
evidence?
you for?
Then where's the
Are you
evidence?
mad or something?
Then where's the
Do you
evidence?
see my car?
Then where's the
Do you
evidence?
see my car?
Where is the evidence?
about
Who gives a fuck about your car? No one
Leave
cares about
mine
your car.
out.
I'm on live right now, darling. Me the on live as well. So you can go on and scream bad and make all my people know how you are. Make all my people know how you scream.
Fucking United States know who I am.
No, United States know who she is.
Take it to London.
Take it to
A lot
London.
of people.
Yeah.
You guys are fucked up black people.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You should
Yeah.
have
Yeah. Preach. Hey, give me my money.
Give me my
Just
money.
give me my money.
Just give me my
Just give me my money. Why would I sue your $2.5 grand? I drive a Porsche.
The reason why I called 911, once he told me, I want to see a proof, I said, no, I'm not